regardless of all my imperfections and flaws. You still love me just the way I am. It's must have been nuanced to have found you and be with you, because it's hard finding someone as special, beautiful, and kind as you are. I must be one hell of a lucky man to have you, my baby. I love you more than you know. Hello, beautiful princess. Here's a quick reminder that I will spend my entire life adoring and treating you like the princess you are, and a queen in making. I will always cherish and treat you right, even until the end of time. I will always be there for you wherever and whenever you need me. I love you always, my one and only. Everything that I had and will ever have revolves around you, my love. So I am committing my lifetime to always make you feel better and stronger and happier than ever before. I vow to be the best, caring and loving and understanding man you have always seen in me and wanted me to be. I love you so much more than you could ever imagine. You have changed my world for the better with your unconditional love and care for me. I love everything about you, baby. You have added so much value and meaning to my life with your words of wisdom and encouragement, as you always inspire me to be a better person each and every day. You know that I love you right well. I do ever since we met, and I end up falling in love with you. I have been living in a world which I could only have fantasized about with without you, my result. You have changed perspective about love with the you way you care and love me unconditionally, and I promise to love you twice as much I love you friendly, my love by it's not possible for me to stay a day without telling you how much I love you and how much you mean to me, because for me to live beautifully is you are the woman behind the realization of all my dreams. I am blessed to have you, because without you I don't know who or where I would be today. I love you so much, my one and only. Loving you is like an education to me. Every moment I spend loving you is like the moments I spend in heaven. The day I will stop loving you is the day I die. I love you more than myself. Keep up that sweet smile in your face always. Every morning when I wake up, the first night thing at my mind is you. Close my eyes and picture your beautiful face in my head, so I can start the day fully of positivity. I feel lucky to have you in my life, are a blessing that I will be thankful to God for the rest of my life.